Step 1. Wrap the hose with tape at the cutoff so that the braid does not flare, then cut the hose square. Step 2. Remove the tape from the hose end and slide the ferrule over the hose until the tube butts up against the shoulder inside the socket. Step 3. Push the insert into the ferrule, making sure that the tube does not get snagged by the insert. Step 4. Check that the insert butts against the ferrule. Step 5. Position the fitting in the crimper so that it will crimp the full length of the ferrule without damaging the hex or the thread, and crimp to the correct dimension. Step 6. Verify the crimp dimensions by measuring at the midpoint of the crimp. Pulsar crimp charts are updated regularly and can be found on our website at pulsarhydraulics.com.